If you're on a mission to eat healthier without compromising on flavour, you need to try this. Our vegetable fried rice starts by prepping all of the veg. So you want to chop mushrooms, 2 carrots, 2 peppers, green beans and 2 chilies. Once that's done, you can get a large pan and to this add some sunflower oil. Once that's nice and hot, add your 2 red chilies and leave to saute for a few minutes. This recipe is great to use up some leftover rice, but if you don't have any, then boil some rice at this point. To the chilies, add 2 chopped peppers and then add your chopped carrots. Leave this to saute for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Once the carrots and peppers have softened a bit, you can add 200 grams of chopped green beans. Then add in your chopped mushrooms and leave this to cook until all of the veg is fully cooked through. Once those veg are cooked, add 1 tin of sweet corn. Give that all a good mix and then we're going to start adding some more flavour to our vegetables. To start off with, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and then add some cooked rice, enough for about 4 people. This is a great way to use up some leftover rice. Give it all a really good mix to make sure that the rice and vegetables are evenly distributed. Then add in some more soy sauce as per your taste and give it all a good mix. To give this an extra kick, we're going to add some hot sauce or sriracha. Again, add as much or as little as you want. Give this all a really good mix, and then to add some extra crunch to the rice, we're going to top with some salted peanuts. And then you'll have some delicious vegetable fried rice. This is a great way to add some more veggies to your diet and also use up some of that leftover rice. For more recipes like this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.